Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. You're listening to TAL Radio and welcome to Foodology. I'm radio host Devansh, and on this show, I talk about the enormous world of a little word called food. In the last week's episode, I shed light upon nutrition powerhouses, seeds, and how such little gems can create big differences in our health and life. Today, why not talk about food that's small, yet is extremely healthy and nourishing for the body, especially during these winter months? Nuts. Thankfully, nuts have a good reputation and hype among people as compared to seeds. Nuts are one of the fastest growing sectors, and we can't seem to get enough of them. Nuts are flavorful, good for cooking in dishes, ranging from breakfast to desserts. Additionally, nuts pack a healthy punch, making them a snack food of choice. Nuts have been around even before human beings walked Earth. It is very easy to see why nuts have been so popular through the ages. You don't have to track and kill a nut. In fact, nuts were one of the first convenience foods. How? Well, not only nuts could be carried, but their ability to be stored for months at a time made them great for long, harsh winters. Nuts are also rich in fat and protein, which makes them filling and nourishing. And their versatility means you can eat them right out of the shell, press them for oil, or mash them to make nut butter. Nuts have been an integral part of the human diet since the beginning of humankind itself. Recently, there was an archaeological finding in Israel where researchers found evidences showing that nuts formed a major part of man's diet 780,000 years ago. 7 varieties of nuts, along with stone tools to crack them open, were found buried. The nuts were wild almond, prickly water lily, water chestnut, and 2 varieties of both acorn and pistachios. The pistachios and water chestnuts are similar to those found in the Far East and Northern Europe today. Some 50 pitted stones with at least one depression were found at the site. The depression in the stones seemed to have been formed when the stones were used to crack open large quantities of hard nuts. These stone tools, called the nutting stones, are similar to those found in the United States and Europe, which archaeologists date back to 4,000 to 8,000 years ago. These early Native Americans would place a nut in the depression of the stone, then hit it with another stone called the hammer stone. The shell nuts were eaten whole and also were ground with mortar and pestle to make flour or nut butter. The nuts that were used were beech nuts, chestnuts, hickory nuts, and walnuts. After removing the nut meat, the shells were used to fuel their fires. Many times, nut meat was also cooked. The Greeks and Romans were fond of walnuts, and they were considered food for gods by the early Romans. Nuts were also used for their oils, and nuts like walnuts were used to thicken foods, much as what cornstarch is for today. Almonds and pistachios are mentioned by name in the Bible, while other nuts can be found in the works of Shakespeare and many historical records. Today, it's no different. Nuts have been proven to be quality sources of protein and healthy fats, and are essential for maintaining good health. The first nuts that I will be talking about are almonds. As mentioned in the Bible, almonds are one of the first foods to be cultivated. It has been found by archaeologists in excavation sites in both Greece and Cyprus. The famous Arabian marzipan, which is a sweet paste candy made from almonds, was brought back from the Holy Lands of the Crusaders in the 11th and 13th centuries. This delicious paste candy is still trendy today. Almonds' true origins are shrouded in mystery, but it is believed that they are native to Central Asia. Throughout history, almonds have maintained religious, ethnic, and social significance. The Bible's Book of Numbers tells the story of Aaron's rod that blossomed and bore almonds, giving the almond the symbolism of divine approval. All almonds, before their cultivation, once contained deadly levels of cyanide and were extremely bitter to humans. This was due to the presence of a compound. Wild almonds stored this toxic compound in their seeds to prevent predation. This is still true today. Eating just 50 wild almonds can actually kill a person. At some point in history, well, no one is sure exactly when, a natural mutation happened that limited the production of this deadly toxin to levels almost equal to negligible. Suddenly, almonds were both sweet and safe to eat. Once humans discovered these mutated almonds, the domestication took off and almonds became a popular food throughout the world. From the end of the first millennium and into the high Middle Ages, almonds were traded along the entire Mediterranean, through Asia, and into northern Africa via the Silk Road. King Tutankhamun was mummified in ancient Egypt around 1300 BC. He was buried with almonds and other foods that were considered high class. This included loaves of bread, figs, melons, wine, and mummified meats, but did not include other foods that were part of the normal diet. The almond tree was brought to California from Spain in the mid-1700s by the Franciscan Padres. It wasn't until the following century that the trees were successfully planted inland. The state of California is the biggest producer of the world's supply of almonds, growing approximately 80% of the world's supply. Today, almond branches are frequently still used to symbolize the birth of Jesus. They are also considered good luck and represent fertility in several countries. And they are traditionally given to guests at weddings in Greece, Italy, and sometimes in the UK. This tradition is based on a very similar Roman custom dating back to the 1st century CE. Almonds now started being experimented with, which gave way for the creation of many recipes that called in for almond flour, almond butter, etc. A lot of us might think that almond milk is a creation and the obsession of today's generation, but that's not true. Almond milk was popular among the European upper class in the late Middle Ages. The culinary use of almonds has also increased dramatically in the past 30 years. With the nut now used to make a variety of non-dairy alternatives including milk, yogurt, cheese, and even chocolate. In China, almonds are the favorite snack of people, especially during the Chinese New Year. In India, almonds are considered a brain food. Italians started the tradition of giving Jordan candied almonds as wedding favors, and now they use them to mark other milestones too. Red for graduation, green for engagements, blue for a baby boy, and pink for a baby girl. Almonds are used in French patisserie treats such as macaroons, almond marzipan, and almond cream-filled puff pastries. The Swedish people have known to hide an almond in rice pudding as a symbol of good fortune. Whoever finds it is said to get married in the coming year. Almonds, along with other nuts and seeds, may help improve lipid or fat levels in the blood. This can benefit the heart health. Almonds contain relatively high levels of vitamin E. As we all know, vitamin E contains antioxidants. Almonds contain calcium, magnesium, manganese, copper, protein, and zinc, all of which contribute to better bone health. While carrots are said to be very good for your eyes, almonds are a good source of vitamin E that protects your eyes and prevents abnormal changes to your lenses. You may have read about almonds being a major part of the ingredients in most skincare products. This is because of the fact that almonds have loads of benefits for your skin. Almonds have played an important role in the lives of human beings over the last 5,000 years, and their importance in so many different cultures and cuisines today is a direct result of the trade along the Silk Road, as well as the knowledge and symbolism derived from the Middle East, ancient Greece, and Rome. Their sweetness, crunchiness, and nutritional value have been desirable since sweet almonds were discovered, and they are still one of the healthiest and most popular foods on the planet. Next up are walnuts. Walnuts' earliest evidences dates back to 7000 BC and are believed to be native to Persia. The term English walnuts that we use today is derived from the fact that the British primarily facilitated the early global walnut trade. These dry fruits are considered the oldest tree food known to man and were prized by the Romans for both medicinal and celebratory purposes. Walnuts were traded along the Silk Road, which led to the increase in its availability. In California, walnuts were first cultivated by the Franciscan Fathers in the late 1700s. The earliest walnuts to enter California were known as mission walnuts. Unlike today's walnuts, these first entries were small with hard shells. These trees flourished in the Mediterranean-like climate zones of California. The black walnut is native to North America. It too produces large edible nuts, but these are generally considered inferior. On the culinary side, walnut has graced some of the US's most iconic dishes. Over time, it became a prized ingredient in the famous Waldorf salad, first created in 1893 at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York. In addition to salads, walnuts are now featured in a variety of preparations: candied, adding a crunch to a loaf or bread, or Thanksgiving stuffing, or even as a snack on their own. As we all know, walnuts are among the most nutritious of all nuts. Walnuts contain a lot of B vitamins, which can boost your energy levels. This adds to the weight management benefits. Walnut contains powerful antioxidants such as vitamin E, which contribute to making your skin look healthy and supple. You can also use walnut oil to prevent your skin from getting dry. This makes it a perfect addition to your routine. Many diseases such as diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, allergies are because of inflammation. Walnuts can prove beneficial because they have anti-inflammatory properties. Walnuts also encourage a healthy lipid supply because of the abundant amount of omega-3 present in them. Studies have shown that walnuts can help lower your cholesterol levels and also the risk of coronary heart diseases. Walnuts are thought to help hair and nails grow stronger and longer, and also prevent hair loss because of high levels of biotin or vitamin B7. Next up are cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are native to northeastern Brazil and southeastern Venezuela, and later distributed around the world in the 1500s by Portuguese explorers. Cashew nuts come from fruit-producing trees. The fruit or the cashew apple, which resembles a bell pepper, is what is called a false fruit. It is a master of deception. The real fruit dangles from the bottom of the cashew apple, guarding within a single seed, known to us as cashew nut. Instead of growing like conventional nuts, they grow out of the base of cashew apples like little tails. For this reason, they are the only nuts that are sold without their shells because the outer shell causes skin irritation. The cashews were first discovered by Europeans in Brazil around 1558. Because of the irritating shells, they were thought to be inedible at first. Over time, it was realized that it was the fruit's skin and not the seeds that were irritating. It was the local native tribe that showed the Europeans otherwise. The Portuguese were given instructions on how to roast the cashews to get the irritant off. Cashews are commonly used in South Asian cuisine, whole for garnishing sweets or curries, or ground into a paste that forms a base of sauces and many gravies. It is also used in powdered form in preparation of several Indian sweets and desserts. Today, one can find numerous uses of cashew nuts. Cashew milk is very popular among vegans. Cashew nut oil is also gaining popularity. Cashew nuts are rich in healthy unsaturated fats and minerals like magnesium and potassium. Cashew nuts help to reduce the blood pressure drastically. These nuts are rich in zinc and vitamins that keep you healthy. Zinc is an immune boosting compound that is vital for basic cell processes. The brain is the most active organ of the body, and it requires a steady supply of fatty acids throughout the diet to stay active. Cashew nuts contain brain-boosting nutrients that may help to keep your memory sharp. Cashew nuts are consumed as a snack. They are also used in nut mixes. They are high in calories, proteins, and fiber that make you fuller for a longer time and kill your cravings. Copper present in cashew nuts help to produce hair pigment melanin. That enhances hair color, and the fatty acids in cashews make your hair super thick and lustrous. Cashew nuts contain zeaxanthin and lutein that are antioxidants that protect from UV rays. The antioxidant pigments naturally occur in the eyes and are essential defense against damaging light and may reduce the risks of developing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Hazelnuts. We are all obsessed with hazelnuts, and especially the sweet treats that are made using this nut. Yes, you got it right. Nutella. Hazelnuts are the key ingredient in Nutella that the entire world is obsessed with. Hazelnuts have a long history. They are native to the Eastern and Southern Europe. Hazelnut trees rapidly expanded northward and eastwards after the end of the last ice age. Evidences of their importance to humans since then have been found across the globe. Mentions of hazelnuts have even been found in religious texts from ancient civilization as far east as China. According to a manuscript found in China, the hazelnut has been shown to be one of the 5 sacred nourishments that God gave to humans. The Greeks and the Romans spread it all over Europe, where it has been used throughout the centuries until the present time. Turkey is the world's largest producer of hazelnuts, with Italy, Spain, the US, and Greece being other players in the world market. In 1629, hazelnut was introduced to America by seeds shipment. Currently, Washington and Oregon are producing about 3% of the world's supply. We all love hazelnuts, and hazelnuts are extensively used in confectionery, in making pralines, in combination with chocolate, desserts, and whatnot. Hazelnut butter is growing popularity as it is being marketed in the US as a more nutritious spread than its competitor, peanut butter. Many coffees and alcohol have hazelnut flavor in them. Hazelnuts are packed with nutrients, fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, good fats, and best of all, a really warm and comforting taste. Hazelnuts are rich in phenolic compounds that have been shown to increase antioxidant protection in the body. It is best to eat hazelnuts whole and unroasted to ensure that you get the highest concentration of antioxidants. Hazelnuts are believed to normalize blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Hazelnuts have been linked to reduced inflammatory markers, thanks to their high concentration of healthy fats. Hazelnut contains several compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels. All in all, hazelnuts are excellent and delicious source of nutrients that can be easily incorporated into your diets. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. Tune in next week for a part 2 and a continuation of this episode. This is radio host Devansh, signing off. Hope you have a beautiful and a magical day ahead. See you soon.